There comes a moment, usually in the quietest hours, when you realize you're tired of your own patterns. You're exhausted from repeating the same habits that drain your time, your confidence, and the version of yourself you could have been. Maybe that moment came last night. Maybe it came this morning when you woke up and felt the weight of the same old routine pulling you back into autopilot. This chapter is your reminder that your burnout, your frustration, and your exhaustion are not signs of weakness. They are signals, invitations. They tell you that something inside you is ready for change. The truth is, you don't need a dramatic revolution. You just need a spark. One small step is where Kaizen begins. Kaizen doesn't ask you to become flawless overnight. It asks you to listen, to notice the part of you that still believes in growth, even if you've ignored it for years. Deep down, you already know you're capable of more. You wouldn't be watching this video if you weren't. This is your year of quiet realization. The moment you stop pretending that life will get better on its own. It's the moment you finally decide that even if it's slow, even if it's messy, you're ready to rise again. One gentle improvement at a time. One of the biggest lies we're taught is that change must be loud, dramatic, and immediate. That you need a transformation so massive it shocks the world. But meaningful change rarely looks like that. Most of the time, it looks like a 5-minute adjustment, a tiny habit swap, or a small promise kept. Kaizen teaches us that the smallest consistent action has more power than the biggest burst of temporary motivation. It's not about speed, it's about direction. And if your direction is forward, even by an inch, your life will shift. Imagine replacing just one bad habit with a one minute alternative. Imagine choosing a short walk instead of picking up your phone, drinking a glass of water instead of stress, snacking, writing one sentence instead of spiraling in self-doubt. At first, these steps feel insignificant, almost laughable, but over weeks and months, they compound. Kaizen turns small actions into unstoppable momentum. This is how you break bad habits, not by destroying them with force, but by starving them with gentle, better choices. Every micro change is a signal to your brain. I am becoming someone new. Your brain listens. Bad habits stay alive because we keep identifying with them. I'm lazy. I'm inconsistent. I'm not disciplined. These aren't truths. They're old stories we tell ourselves because they feel familiar. Kaizen invites you to challenge that identity. Not by rewriting your whole life in one day, but by planting seeds of a new self-image. Every small action you take is a message to your subconscious that says, "This is who I am now." Slowly, your identity begins to shift. Not forcefully, but naturally, like a tree growing toward the light. When you become a person who makes small improvements daily, even imperfect ones, your old habits start losing their grip. You stop resonating with the version of yourself who used to procrastinate, overthink, or give up. You start choosing differently because you truly see yourself differently. And the beautiful part, you don't need loud confidence to begin. You only need willingness. Even if your hands shake, even if fear whispers you're not ready, when your identity evolves, your habits must follow. This is the chapter where you stop fighting your bad habits and start becoming someone who simply doesn't need them anymore. The difference between people who change and those who stay stuck is not talent. It's not intelligence, it's consistency. The commitment to show up every day, even for just 1 minute, is what separates a life of regret from a life of growth. When you commit to a 1% improvement each day, you don't just upgrade your habits, you upgrade your possibilities. Kaizen's philosophy is simple. Small daily wins create unbreakable confidence. Every time you complete a tiny improvement, your brain releases a small surge of reward. And over time, your mind begins to crave progress. This creates a powerful psychological shift. Instead of chasing motivation, you begin relying on discipline built through repetition. You stop waiting for the perfect moment because your small actions become your momentum. Even on days when life feels heavy, when your heart is tired, or when everything seems to fall apart, your 1% habit remains your anchor. It's the reminder that you are still moving, still choosing, still building something meaningful. And one day, almost without realizing it, you'll look back and see how far these tiny steps carried you. That's the power of Kaizen. Self-sabotage doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it's quiet, a delay, a small excuse. A habit you know is hurting you, but you keep feeding it anyway. You're human. But Kaizen gives you a new path, one where leadership begins not with controlling the world around you, but with guiding yourself with compassion. When you choose even one small action in favor of your future self, you're practicing self-leadership. You're saying, I matter. My life matters. My progress matters. Eventually, this shift becomes a new rhythm. Stop giving power to the habits that drain you, late night scrolling, endless overthinking, emotional spirals. You take back control not by fighting these patterns, but by creating better ones. Slowly, you stop sabotaging your own potential because you finally see the person you're becoming. Someone capable, someone resilient, someone worthy. This chapter is your reminder. No matter how many times you've started over, there is still a version of you worth fighting for. And Kaizen gives you the roadmap to reach them. 2026 is not just another year. It can be your rebirth. A year where you walk into the next chapter of your life with intention, clarity, and quiet strength. But rebirth doesn't come from massive promises or unrealistic goals. It comes from choosing to grow a little bit every day. Kaizen is your bridge, your structure, your daily commitment to leaving behind the habits that once held you back. When you look at your life 1 year from now, you will see a different version of yourself. Not because you changed everything, but because you changed consistently. Your future self is waiting, the one who wakes up with peace, the one who believes in their ability to transform, the one who doesn't apologize for wanting more out of life. Every small improvement you make today is a gift to that person. And before 2026 arrives, you have the chance to rewrite your trajectory. Don't need the perfect plan. You just need courage. The courage to begin small, stay consistent, and trust the process. This is your moment. Start today. Grow 1% daily. Watch your entire life shift into something you're finally proud of.